Let's talk about my favorite invention, the power bank. Hi everyone! Imagine being on a long bus ride to visit family or hiking in a beautiful spot here in Batangas and suddenly your phone screen flashes that dreaded low battery warning. Without a way to charge it, you might lose touch with loved ones, miss important updates, or even get lost if you were using maps. This is exactly why the power bank stands out as my favorite invention. In this presentation, I'll share what a power bank is, how it came to be, the problem it was made to solve, and the many ways it shapes our society today. Let's get started. What is the invention? A power bank is a portable battery power device designed to store electrical energy and charge other electronic gadgets, like for example, smartphones, tablets, cameras on the go without needing a wall socket. It is essentially a portable power supply. Who invented it and when? Power banks were first invented around 2001 to 2004 with the Chinese company PCN Electronics widely recognized for developing the first known as the mini power bank or Power King in 2004 for an Antarctic expedition. Earlier, prototypes using AA batteries were reportedly show it. It was developed to provide portable on-the-go charging for video cameras and electronic devices using early battery technology combined with a control circuit. What problem did it solve? It eliminated low battery anxiety when away from the home or work. It removed dependency on finding wall sockets in public spaces like airports, cafes, or parks. Enabled extended use of devices as phones shifted from basic communication tools to hubs for navigation, entertainment, and work. How does it affect society today? Communication and connectivity ensures devices stay powered for emergencies, navigation, and daily businesses critical for staying in touch. Education and productivity supports remote learning and work, letting students and professionals operate for hours without battery concerns. In health, in remote areas or disaster zones, healthcare workers can keep essential portable devices like blood glucose monitors or communication radios powered supporting patient care. In environment, durable power banks reduce reliance on single-use disposable batteries, and some models feature solar charging or recycled materials to minimize environmental impact. In travel and lifestyle, makes long trips, hiking, and outdoor activities easier by keeping GPS and cameras functional. The power bank might seem like a simple gadget, but it's transformed how we stay connected, learn, work, and even handle emergencies here in Batangas and around the world. From its early designs to today's eco-friendly models, it continues to adapt to our needs. Thank you for your listening, and next time your phone's battery is low, take a moment to appreciate this handy invention that keeps us going.